it's not normal, we had a lot of calls coming in, so I needed to take them. So unfortunately, I was doing this work while I was on the phone, and but I will say that it worked. I am extremely happy to report back that we've removed the diode, the RX diode, and we now have, I'm going to flip this on. I'm going to see if I can show you now what I've done here by using the microscope. I'm not sure I'm going to be successful with this, but let me give it a shot at least. So I do have now I did put the voltage. Let me see if I can make this work somehow. I'm not sure if I can even get this to show you, but and if I can't, then I won't waste your time with it any more than that. I was hoping to be able to show you what we did here, but it doesn't look like I'm going to get anywhere with this. Let me see. I'll try to put the computer screen on here in a second, if I can even make this work. Okay, there. So what I could do, this is going to look really wonky. Just hang tight and I'll show you. So this is what I'm looking at right now, and that's only because I got the microscope on here. So let me show you this here real quick. All right, so you see that 14.6, that is part of the beta flight. So let me put in my USB here. Let me get my glasses on. Put in my USB to the flight controller. Okay, we're going to connect. All right, and then I'm going to go to the OSD. You'll see where I've put this here. So let me go back to my screen. You can see where it says 14.6 right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to beta flight and remove this. Click save, and then go back to our screen, and you'll see it's gone. Now I'll see if I can do this side by side. Perhaps it'll let me do that. So if I can just get enough of the screen on here to show you, I'll try. I'm not sure I can, but I will go back now and tell it that I want to put, I guess I'll try to put it somewhere else, but let me just go here and I'll add battery voltage again and click set. Well, there you go. You can see it right there. So it comes on in the screen. Let's see if I can keep that, and then when I remove it, it's gone. So we do have, I don't even know if I'm going to get what other things I'm going to get. Let me see if I can do a craft name. I don't think I've even put in a craft name here. So, but it may show up here in just a second. Let me see. I'm trying to get this camera. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to fit the whole screen. So let me just put, again, I'll go back to the battery voltage. You can see it pop up here, and then if I move it, it'll probably actually go off the screen if I move it too far. There you go. So we finally do have OSD. That was the goal, guys. And so I'm really happy about that. Sorry that the video did not have a lot of instruction on it, only because of the fact that we had phone calls coming at the same time, and I've got a lot going on today. So hopefully that helps, guys. That's done. If you have any questions, you can always hit us up on our Facebook page, or you can find us on, please subscribe to our website. Sorry, I'm screwing this up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, cyclonefpv.com. youtube.com/Cyclone FPV, and you can also go to our groups page on Facebook. There it is right there. And then also follow us on Facebook. I don't know. Do all the social media stuff. You guys are far better than I am. Other than that, guys, God bless. Be safe. I want to give a shout out to my boys, Ashton, Len, and Jaden. Love you guys very much. See you guys soon. Everybody else, God bless. Be safe and spend time with your family. You never know how much time you have left, guys. So go make the most of it. You can always fly later. Talk to you soon. Bye.